Now that you know the basics of the BA degree, let's examine your degree requirements. In order to graduate in your BA Psychology degree, you must complete a minimum of 90 credits with an overall cumulative grade point average of 4.0, or a C. In addition, you must have obtained at least a 4.0 or a C in Psych 1010. Here is the visual representation of your degree. We will review this chart again at the end of the presentation. The main components of a BA degree include general education requirements, courses taken outside of the major requirements, in your case psychology courses, and upper level requirements. Now let's examine each of these components more carefully. Please note, as a transfer student, you may have been granted credits from your previous studies. In a later presentation, we will explain how to determine and apply your transfer credits.
The general education requirements for your degree are as follows. A minimum of 18 credits, 6 credits at the 1000 level chosen from the humanities area, 6 credits at the 1000 level chosen from the social science area, and 6 credits in the natural science at the 1000 level. To confirm if a course is eligible for general education, please visit the current student's webpage. Click on Search for Courses. Click on Search Courses by General Education. On this page, select your faculty, the Faculty of Health, then select your degree type and click on Search Courses. This list will show you all eligible general education courses being offered in the upcoming academic session. Using the column on the far right, you can determine which general education area the course satisfies. For example, the course displayed on the screen satisfies your social science requirement.
In addition to general education requirements, you will also be required to take a minimum of 18 credits at any level outside of your major psych requirements. Just remember that courses outside your major might be course credit exclusions for psych courses and therefore cannot be used to satisfy this requirement. Okay, so now that we've reviewed the general education and courses outside of your major requirements, let's talk about your major course requirements. Major courses refer to credits that you need to take in the program to which you've been admitted, in your case, psychology. For a BA degree, you will need at least 30, but no more than 42 credits in psychology. As part of the 30 to 40 credits you require for your major, you must complete the following courses: Psych 1010, Introduction to Psychology, and achieve a minimum grade of C. You will also need to take Psych 2021, Statistical Methods 1, or Psych 2020, Statistical Methods 1 and 2, and Psych 2030, Introduction to Research Methods. To assure that you acquire some breadth within psychology, you must take at least one 3-credit course from each of the 2 series of courses, which represent core areas of psychology. At least 3 credits from the social and clinical areas listed below, and at least 3 credits from the biological and cognitive areas, again listed below. As discussed in the previous presentation, upper-level credits are courses that undergraduate students generally take in their final year of studies. As a Psych BA student, you're required to take 18 upper-level credits at the 3000 or 4000 level, including 12 credits in the major. The last piece of information you need to know about your BA degree are the graduation requirements. You must successfully complete a minimum of 90 credits and maintain an overall grade point average of 4, or a C. Now, let's take a look at that degree chart again. You will need 90 credits in order to obtain your psychology degree, of which 18 will be general education credits. There will be 18 credits taken outside of the major, at least 30 psychology major credits, and 24 additional credits. This will add up to the 90 total credits. Now remember, of that 90 credit total, 18 credits must be upper level credits.